The question is to determine the end product of the given reaction. The solution is in A2O coupling reaction, the hydrogen is taken from the less hindered para position, and the less hindered para position according to our question will be this position. Also, in the first product given, we have N2Cl attached with it. Therefore, the N2Cl can be written like this, and it can also be written like this. And as an hydrogen is taken from the para position, so therefore the end product that we obtain will be giving us the solution as option C.